So now let's see how we can work around with color inside of Tinkercad. So to work around with color, I'm going to bring in an object right here, and by default the color for this object is red. But if I were to go over here onto the solids area and click on it, then you have the color option. So here you have some preset colors that you can choose from. So you can simply click on those colors from the preset menu, click on it, and that is what you have. If you were to go around over here onto custom right here, then you can choose a shade of color you want. Let's say, for example, you want more like an orange right here, use the color wheel and so forth. You can also show the color values right here and use the red, green and blue value and change that out. And if you want to change the value, let's say, for example, you want to add in value for the green as 255, which is in the decimal code, you can also add in those colors over here. So if I were to double click, press 0, double click, press 0, this is what you have. You can also enter the hex code of the color if you know how that works out. And that is how you can choose the color for the object inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.